Hello everyone, welcome to Soham Healer's World. This is the general reading for Aquarius from 6th of July to 12th of July 2020. It includes your recent past, your present, and immediate future. So let's see what cards have to show you. Alright, so this is your card, this is your energy, the moon. Uh, Maybe right now there's something which you cannot see clearly. Your perception or whatever you are thinking right now is not the actual picture. So because of that there could be some insecurities, there could be a little bit of fear, there could be some arguments with your closed ones, but the thing is that it is just something which is an illusion, that is not the truth. So you really need to see the truth. Yeah. All right, if you talk about your past cards, it is the Seven of Wands, Two of Swords, and the Two of Pentacles reversed. Okay, so here I believe in your recent past, things were quite okay. You actually did a lot of hard work and you started getting the results also. You were on the top of a lot of things in your life, and you were quite confident. You were fighting, and you, because of your constant fights with the failures, you had achieved success, but still there was little bit of confusion because there was lack of clarity, and because of this lack of clarity you were not able to balance things in your life. You were not able to handle two things in your life, and though both the things were quite extreme. It could be maybe very very important thing in the family, as well as very very important thing in the professional life as well. So and this Two of Swords, if you see here, that is also showing the same thing, that because of your energy right now you're not able to see the real picture. You are not able to see how things are around you. So that is why, because you have lack of clarity, and you are not able to manage things well. So before going to the present, I would request you to kindly subscribe to my channel for the weekly updates. Your present cards are Judgment, Five of Swords reversed, and Knight of Cups reversed. So the good thing is that you will get what you deserve. You will get something which you have been waiting for since a very very long time, and you will if there is any kind of a legal or a court case going on, I think you will get a favorable result in that also. But again, if we see, the problem is with your thinking, with your perception right now, and it is not your fault also, because the things are such around you, it's difficult for you to see the right picture. So because of that you might feel that people are back pitching about you, they are not supporting you. They are basically they're trying to trick you. So because of all these things, you might feel that life is very unstable. You might fear that you don't know what is going to happen tomorrow. You might feel that I have done so much for the other people, but I am not getting the same thing in return. Why so it is, I'm telling you, it's just a web right now. The things are going to get clear in near future. Let's see your future cards. It is the Seven of Swords reversed, Ace of Wands reversed, and Four of Cups reversed. So, okay, I think this moon energy is going to be with you for some time. Maybe right now is not the good time for you to see everything clearly. Maybe there is some kind of experience that you are having. Maybe it is just that it's making you a little more stronger. So in your future cards, it's just showing that you have this constant worry or fear that um, about your image. You might feel that people are not supporting you properly. You might feel that you need to do something um, beyond your own capabilities and the skills you have. So you need to do something extraordinary, but that is not happening. You are basically just sad and focusing on something which is not even there, something which is just an illusion, something which you are seeing but actually not present. So I would just suggest that you people should not worry about stuff. Just give it some time, because whatever you are thinking is not real. So just give some time for things to get little clear. Yeah. Okay, so for any kind of queries, you can write in the comment box. For detailed personalized reading, you can see the description box, and that's it. All the best, Aquarians.